Hey, what's up, man? I want to share a video with you. It's from the Controlled Chaos guys. This video is super funny. Watch it with me and ask yourself, how am I not working for these guys? All right, let's watch this.
Yeah! Made a fucking video!
What's up, people? I'm Sam.
And I'm Dave.
And this is The Control Chaos.
Ads are definitely the most important part of marketing of a product, and ads are quite tough to make, as you have to make an impression within 35 to 45 seconds on people in order to catch their attention. And ads are supposed to be entertaining, if not captivating. And needless to say, creativity has a significant role to play in making of an ad.
But what happens when you try to act too smart? What happens when you decide to kick it up a notch and go beyond your creational limits to make an ad? What happens when you get high on creativity? You end up doing something so corny that people
Dave thought that
laugh
was
at
funny.
it
Look at Dave's
all the
cracking
time.
up there.
Of course, it gets the job done, and ads are supposed to be funny and entertaining. But we're sure that you have come across a few ads which left you wondering, what the hell did I just watch? Followed by an unsure, stupid laugh.
We all criticize movies and actors and pretty much everything. Then
Yes.
why the hell not ads?
So
Yes.
today we bring you
This video is for entertainment purpose only. If someone gets offended by this, hello, कहाँ करूँ मैं?
नया फेयर एंड लवली बीबी क्रीम.
the whole concept of the ad is that if you're not a good looking woman, then probably you can't achieve anything in your life.
And by good looking, he means if you are not fair, if you are a dark skinned girl, then you have no life, you have no future, you can't marry, you can get a job, you can do any fucking thing. So let's take a look at this video. You will look good because you have to spend your whole day taking selfies.
And fuck the makeup artist, beauty parlor owners, skin experts, stylists, because you have only one cream that can make you look like a celebrity. And obviously, consult Yami Gautam and use Fair and Lovely if you wanna look good.
जो दे मेकअप का फिनिश.
अब मेकअप वाले लोग
Get fair like that in 7 days. Use Fair and Lovely.
If you're a girl, then your looks are all that matters to the whole wide world. And if you're not good looking, if you're not fair, then you're a failure. So use Fair and Lovely, and without any academic qualification, without any job, without any career, you're successful. And I mean, the only thing you can be successful with is using Fair and Lovely.
Seagram's Imperial Blue Super Hits music CDs.
Since you can't promote alcohol and smoking directly in India, alcohol companies do the surrogate marketing through CDs, tours, and accessories.
Before we get to the ad, let me just mention that all the Imperial Blue ads are sexist towards men. Why? Let's look at the video. And this is not the only ad about Imperial Blue. There are many ads, and the whole concept of Imperial Blue is pretty much sexist towards men. Men trying to impress girls.
Imperial Blue, मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये तेरी म्यूजिक सीडी का और ये एड का क्या रिलेशन है?
जैसे कि हम लोगों ने वीडियो के शुरू में कहा था, ज्यादा क्रिएटिविटी जब यूज होती है,
ये चुतियापा
ये
निकलता
सब
है.
चुतियापा निकलता है.
सेंटर फ्रेश. चली हवा मस्तानी.
आज ये गुमनाम परी तुझे धीमी आंच पर जला जला कर मारेगी.
मैं चाशनी जी का फैन
और ये हीट मम्मी मम्मी क्या हुआ बेबी को बेबी को गर्मी लग रहा है. नहीं फैन लाओ जल्दी.
फैन आ गया सर.
इधर है.
मैडम मैं ही हूँ आपका फैन.
हेलो.
अब और भी फ्रेश नया सेंटर फ्रेश चली हवा.
Okay, can someone explain what the fuck did we just watch? So basically, chewing Center Fresh gum makes you a living AC.
मैं बोलता हूँ कि 40-40 हजार रुपए देंगे घर में एसी क्यों लगा रहे हो?
Dave, what did you say,
Center
Dave?
Fresh पान की दुकान से साइड से ले आओ और सबको खिला के बस एक दूसरे को फूंकते रहो घर में बैठ के. और बात यह है कि अकेले रहने वाले लोगों के लिए काम नहीं करता.
Why?
खा तो लेगा सेंटर फ्रेश, फूकेगा किसे?
मुंह में रजनीगंधा, कदमों में दुनिया.
पहचान कामयाबी की.
Pan Bahar and Rajnigandha are pretty popular among the youth and probably all the Indians, and this is something you chew when you're sitting at a chai ki dukaan and talking about serious shit. Let's look at the ads.
Hey, this place is reserved. You Indians need to know your place.
I'm sorry.
What? What?
This
Oh.
award is for one of the most talented musicians in the world. The emerging musician of the future.
हम हिंदुस्तानियों को अपनी जगह अच्छी तरह मालूम है, मगर दुनिया जरा देर से पहचानती है.
If you eat Rajnigandha, then only the world will recognize you.
I was eating Rajnigandha for 4 years. And all I got was cavity and a toothache.
Compliments from India.
मुंह में रजनीगंधा,
थूक थूक के सब गंदा.
Now, Pan Bahar. चाय की दुकान में बैठकर पान बाहर नहीं चबाया तो क्या चबाया मेरी जान. चारों तरफ थूक थूक कर जमीन लाल नहीं किया तो क्या किया मेरी जान. पान बाहर के लिए सुरमा भोपाली ना बनना पड़े तो काहे की पहचान.
पान बाहर है?
वाह, कैनी है, चबाएगा.
हट बुड़बक.
साले ने पहचान लिया बेंचो. तो इतना टेस्टी क्यों है? वाह.
अमूल माचो, बड़े आराम से. अब बच के कहाँ जाएगा तू? तुम्हारी तो मैंने आंख फोड़ दी है. तुम्हारा तो मैंने हाथ तोड़ दिया यार. सॉरी, वो वाला नहीं, वो वाला. और तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो भाई? तुम्हें तो मैंने ऊपर पहुंचा दिया.
Wow!
और आप?
मैं तो आपके साथ जाऊंगी.
अमूल माचो, बड़े आराम से.
Amul Macho.
So, wearing a tank top.
I bet you they
can
wear
solve
that.
Any problem? I don't know
Yes,
why they tell us to
that's
wear
true.
formals during giving interviews. अब चड्डी बनियान पहन के जाओ बच्चों, नौकरी आराम से मिल जाएगी.
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ ना, अगली वीडियो वही अमूल माचो पहन के करते हैं.
चड्डी पूरा
चड्डी बनियान पहन के करते हैं. सब्सक्राइबर नहीं मिल रहा ना, वो भी मिल जाएंगे अपने को.
Exactly.
So according to
Exactly.
this ad, wearing Amul Macho can give you a solution to everything, and it makes things easy. All you have to do is just stand there and say, "तेरी तो मैंने आँख फोड़ दी, तेरी तो मैंने हाथ तोड़ दी, तेरी तो मैंने माँ." You know, you get the point. Also, it gets you the girl. A friendly tip: लड़की मिल जाए तो सब उतारना, लेकिन गंजी मत उतारना क्योंकि तब काम मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
IIN or Idea Internet Network represents an idea that if you can get into college, then you can study from home by only using Idea Internet Network, because all the other networks are fuck all networks and don't help in education whatsoever. So let's get in the video.
आओ मिस्टर साइंटिस्ट, हो गया एडमिशन आईआईटी में? कल से बेकरी आ जाना, वैसे भी लोग कम है वहाँ।
Can't get into IIT? No worries. Get an idea SIM, upgrade to the 4G network, and भाई आपके लग गए. Literally लग गए.
And the best thing about this is, whenever your relatives ask you, "बेटा कहाँ पढ़ रहे हो?" you can say,
IIN.
IIN?
and your relatives will get confused and they will think, "बेंचो ये IIT सुना था, ये IIN क्या है?"
Just by upgrading to IIN 4G, you can probably create holograms in your cabin, in your study room, and create your own Jarvis, and which will bring Mr. Sahu eggs on a freaking flying drone, just like the ad.
टॉकिंग ड्रोन मैंने बनाया। इतनी पढ़ा IIN से मुझे सीखना था और एक ही जगह के दरवाजे मेरे
And then probably you can give a worthless speech at Idea Forum, which is about the same as TED Talks, except it's not real. तो यार तेरा वो ZVS में एडमिशन होने वाला था, क्या उसका?
नहीं हो पाया एडमिशन यार.
क्यों?
No idea.
Get idea.
Get idea. Get idea. Get idea.
Colgate Active Salt Neem.
खून
मसूड़ों से खून, पायरिया। क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक और नीम है?
नमक और नीम
सही नहीं लगा यार कुछ.
चल अपना वाला करते हैं.
चल
मसूड़ों से खून, पायरिया। क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक और नीम है?
नींबू है,
चीनी है,
चिली चिकन है,
तेल मिलेगा,
पनीर पकौड़ा है,
10 ऑफर दे दियो.
है माँ.
नए कोलगेट एक्टिव सॉल्ट में है नमक और नीम की शक्ति।
So every time you're not using Colgate, Priyanka Chopra is watching you. Also, using other toothpaste causes gum bleeding.
So fuck you Pepsodent, fuck you Close-Up, and fuck you sideways Patanjali.
मैं हूँ तूफानी.
I just want to say that when you're promoting any kind of products, any, let it be cold drinks or anything, just stick to the facts. Be honest.
And you have to organize everything and show as much because I made a video and video exactly
So without any further ado, let's get to the ad.
ओह, आखिरी थम्स अप खत्म, मैं कुछ और लाती हूँ।
कुछ और? वो क्या होता है my love?
जो नशेड़ी होते हैं उन्हें कुछ और नहीं चाहिए. हम बेवड़े होते ही ऐसे हैं. वैसे भी उल्मक थम्सअप के साथ ही अच्छी लगती है. फुटपाथ में चाहे कितने भी लोग सोए हों या फिर जंगल में कितने भी चिंकारा हो, कुछ और का तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है हमारी लाइफ में.
जान तो हम सबकी लेंगे, चाहे वो इंसान हो या पैंचोद हिरन.
मैं हूँ तूफानी.
So in my opinion, ads should be logical. You don't have to over dramatize and do some illogical things in order to attract people. I believe personally that if you add some logic into your advertisement, it's gonna work better. Last but not the least, the Salman Khan spoof we did in the last segment. I just wanted to say that we are completely, absolutely, 100% undoubtedly not sorry. So these are our picks for top 8 WTF ads on Indian television. So do you agree with the list? Did you miss any? Let us know in the comment sections down below. Also, leave a like and share with your friends on Facebook, Google Plus, and yada 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 and all that.
Also, if you want more awesome videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in another segment of the Controlled Chaos. Till then, peace out.
Any cock, every cock.
No, that is not me driving. Whoo, Sam and Dave, what's up, fellas? That was good stuff, man. Oh, Oh, good stuff. Sorry I missed the Skype session. I overslept. I was up late last night with the Warrior Queen, watching Alien and Prometheus. She's never seen any of the Alien films, and so I was giving her a little instruction. Thanks for the great videos. We're going to be working with these guys closely. We are going to come together and form the 4 horsemen of the YouTube apocalypse. What? Run! Thank you so much. Please subscribe to the video. That way you can stay up to date on the channel. Wait, I did that backwards. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later.